Many of the flowers or DK Mai, in Thailand have represented certain meanings and feelings, or held significance for thousands of years. For example, one flower might be commonly used in weddings, while another flower for funerals. Indeed, you don't want to get these flowers mixed up if you're planning on getting married in Thailand. In this video, you will not only learn about flowers in Thai for how to say certain flowers but learn about their broader significance in Thai culture. Here are the 15 flowers in Thailand you need to know. But before that, welcome to my channel. 1. Gulab, Gulab, rose. Meaning, romance, love, passion. Red roses represent love and passion in Thai culture, just as everywhere else in the world. But, did you know that the meaning of roses can vary depending on their color? We've laid it all out for you below. White roses. Purity, innocence. Pink roses. Elegance, sweetness. Yellow roses. Jealousy, breakup. Blue roses. Nobility, spirituality. 2. Mali, Mali, jasmine. Meaning, pure love, purity, compassion. White jasmine represents purity and the bond between a mother and child. That's why jasmine is the most preferred gift for Mother's Day in Thailand and is used as decoration in religious ceremonies. Although jasmine is not native to Thailand, it has been naturalized there for hundreds of years. 3. Kalewami, Gluai Mai, orchid. Meaning, grace, purity, innocence. Currently, there are over 1,000 different orchid species native to Thailand, and there are many orchid farms in the country that export these orchids all over the world. There is even a special kind of Thai orchid that is battered and fried for food, known as dendrobium orchids. Thai orchids are also used for the infamous logo of Thai Airways. 4. Lila Adi, Li Lao Di, plumeria. Meaning, bad luck, connected with spirits. Plumeria, also known as frangipani, is a common flower in Thailand since it grows easily in tropical soil. Some Thai people believe that spirits and ghosts seek shelter within these flowers, so it's often associated with bad luck. Keep in mind that this flower comes in both white and purple, but each color is equally associated with bad luck. 5. Thantawan, Ton Dta Wan, sunflower. Meaning, positivity, good luck, happiness. Sunflowers can be seen in central and northern Thailand. Even though they are beautiful flowers, Thai people don't prefer to be given them in bouquets. 6. Diekba, Dike Bua, lotus. Meaning, enlightenment, rebirth. The lotus flower is considered sacred in Thai culture. This flower lives in the water with its roots growing under the river while the petals and leaves appear on the surface. The lotus is commonly associated with Buddhism, the major religion in Thailand. 7. Chaba, Cha Ba, hibiscus. Meaning, youth, beauty, femininity. Hibiscus, also known as Roselle or rose mallow, is a native flower in northern Thailand. The petals and fruits of hibiscus are even used as an ingredient in many teas and herbal treatments. 8. Daisy, DC, daisy. Meaning, humility, friendship, happiness. Daisies often represent joy and happiness. Not to mention, the larger flower family includes edible and ornamental daisies that can be found in many Thai gardens. 9. Quoc Frafi, Guoc Ta Rap, lilies. Meaning, respect, rebirth. Lilies are one of many flowers that grow from bulbs. In some cultures, lilies are seen as a symbol of a pure environment because they will only grow near clean water. In Thailand, lilies are commonly gifted during the spring holidays. 10. Botan, Buditan, peony. Meaning, happy marriage. There are 33 different species of peonies. The large, fluffy blooms are the perfect choice for wedding bouquets and floral arrangements for special events. 11. Ka Ma Hai, Gam Ma Yi, marigold. Meaning, God's perfect light. When King Bhumibol Adulyadej of Thailand passed away in 2016, the country started a campaign to plant golden marigolds across the land to glorify the king's soul. Marigolds have golden yellow or orange blooms, which represent God's perfect light. These make the flowers perfect decorations during religious events. 12. Tennessee Ku Halan, Ditianju Lan, magnolia. Meaning, purity, nobility. There are a number of species of magnolia that are native to Thailand. Most magnolias are white, but some can be found in orange or pink. These beautiful flowers are known for their strong fragrance. 13. Tulip, tulip, meaning perfect love, charity. Tulips are popular flowers renowned for their vertical petals. There is a tulip species native to Thailand, known as the Siam tulip, which has a festival held in its honor every summer in northern Thailand. 14. Dahala, torch ginger, meaning everlasting love. Torch ginger has many other names among locals, some of which are the red ginger lily, wild ginger, porcelain rose, wax flower, and torch lily. In Thailand, this flower is commonly used in salads. 15. Rochfavix Riat Cha Perk, the golden shower tree, meaning royal tree, the national flower of Thailand. Although Thailand chose the golden shower tree as its national flower in 2001, the tree also grows in countries such as India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Myanmar. Part of the reason why the Ratchaphruit was chosen as Thailand's national flower is for its bold yellow color. Yellow is commonly associated with Buddhism, the country's major religion. Yellow is also seen as the color of glory, harmony, and unity. A guide to flowers in Thai culture. Flowers hold great significance in Thai culture, playing a vital role in various aspects of life, from religious practices to celebrations and even daily routines. Thai people have a deep respect for nature, and flowers are seen as symbols of beauty, spirituality, and respect. Their use and meaning vary depending on the occasion, with each flower carrying its own unique significance. Flowers are often associated with important symbols such as purity, respect, love, and good fortune. The act of offering flowers is a form of showing reverence, gratitude, or seeking blessings from higher powers. Different flowers are used to convey specific meanings, and their presence in ceremonies and offerings plays a crucial role in Thai culture. In Thai Buddhism, which is deeply ingrained in daily life, flowers are a common part of religious ceremonies and rituals. They are viewed as a reminder of the impermanence of life, as flowers bloom and fade, symbolizing the fleeting nature of existence. One of the most important flowers in Thai Buddhism is the lotus. It represents purity, enlightenment, and the spiritual journey. The lotus is often associated with the Buddha, who is depicted seated on a lotus or holding one. The flower's ability to bloom in muddy water symbolizes the potential for spiritual growth and rising above life's challenges. Offering flowers is an essential custom in Thailand, particularly at Buddhist temples. One common form of offering is the Phuong Malai, a traditional flower garland that is given as a symbol of respect or gratitude. Jasmine, or Dok Mali, is one of the most commonly used flowers in these offerings. Jasmine symbolizes purity, humility, and simplicity, and it is often presented to Buddha, monks, or loved ones during religious ceremonies or festive occasions. Its sweet fragrance represents peace and devotion, making it a popular choice for prayers and blessings. The tuberose, known as Dok Bupashart, is another flower used in garlands and offerings. Its rich fragrance is associated with devotion, reverence, and the beauty of spiritual practice. In Thai festivals, flowers play a prominent role in the celebrations. The Songkran Festival, Thailand's New Year celebration, is a time when flowers are offered at temples, and people sprinkle water on statues of Buddha, accompanied by flower petals. Marigolds, in particular, are commonly used during this time as symbols of prosperity and good fortune. Loi Krathong is another festival where flowers are used extensively. During this festival, people release krathongs, small, decorative floating baskets, into rivers or lakes, filled with flowers like lotus, jasmine, and marigolds. This act is meant to honor the goddess of water, Phra Mekongka, and to release negative thoughts and seek blessings for the future. Flowers also play an important role in special occasions such as weddings, birthdays, and ceremonies honoring elders. Marigold, or Dao Ruang, is frequently used in wedding decorations and celebrations, symbolizing happiness and prosperity. Orchids, Klui Mai, are also popular gifts for special occasions, representing beauty, love, and admiration. Thailand is famous for its diverse orchid species, and they are often used in large floral arrangements for weddings, graduations, and other major celebrations. In daily life, flowers continue to have cultural and aesthetic importance. Thai people often decorate their homes, businesses, and vehicles with flowers, believing that their presence brings positive energy and good luck. Floral arrangements are also common in personal offerings at Buddhist altars in homes, where they symbolize respect and devotion. Bouquets of flowers, or cha dok mai, are given as gifts to show love, gratitude, or even to apologize. Traditional flower garlands, like the phuong malai, are often presented as gifts, symbolizing respect and affection. These beautiful offerings reflect the deep-rooted cultural appreciation for flowers in Thailand. Certain flowers are also believed to have medicinal properties in traditional Thai medicine. For example, lotus flowers are used in herbal treatments for relaxation, while jasmine is thought to have calming effects and is often brewed into teas to soothe the mind. Overall, flowers are more than just decorative elements in Thai culture. They are deeply woven into the fabric of religious, social, and daily life. They represent spiritual devotion, beauty, and the connection between nature and the divine. By offering flowers, honoring their symbolism, and using them in festivals and celebrations, the Thai people continue to express their reverence for nature and the impermanence of life. Understanding the cultural importance of flowers offers a unique insight into the values and beliefs that shape Thai society.